Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to have your GVUSB2 capture card look as good as it can for NES games. Start by adding a video capture device source. Click on GVUSB2 on the device field. On resolution FPS type, make it be custom. On resolution, make it be 720 by 480. And on FPS, make it be 30. On configure video, go to the third tab at the top and make your sharpness be around 30. You can mess with the settings of brightness, hue, saturation, and all of that if you want. So then you can have the colors looking different depending on how you like it looking. Click on OK and OK again. Right click the video capture device source and go to filters. On the effect filters, click on scaling aspect ratio. Make the scale filtering be bilinear and the resolution be 1440 by 960. Add a crop filter and make left be 88, top 28, right 63, and bottom 37. This is going to make the capture scale up properly later when we add the next filter. On scaling aspect ratio, make the scale filtering be point and the resolution be 256 by 224. This is going to make the resolution be on 8:7 aspect ratio. So then if you stretch it a little bit later, it's not going to look super stretched. And if you don't stretch it, it's going to look bigger than just straight up 16:15, which is what the NES resolution is, which is pretty much just 256 by 240 instead of 256 by 224. Close the filters window. Make your capture card look big on your screen. Right click the source and go to deinterlacing. Make it be retro. This is going to make it so your capture card is rendering everything at 60. So what happens is your capture card detects the video as 480i and it looks very weird when you don't even do anything. It just looks like the lines are just jagged and like weird. So by having the FPS set to 30 like we did at the start and then having the deinterlacing set to retro, it's going to make it look 60 FPS and your gameplay is going to look smoother. Right click on the source again, go to scale filtering and make it be area. This is going to make everything look better in general. And that's pretty much it. Make sure everything is scaled correctly on your source window. And if you want to make it look like this, you can just hold shift and drag it out. Or if you want to have it like this, if you're a memer, just shrink it. But I'd recommend you having it on the normal aspect ratio of 8:7. And yeah, that's the tutorial for everyone. Spread the word to anyone you know that has a GVUSB2 and is planning on recording NES footage. So then we can have a better quality in pretty much everyone else's video. So yeah, have a good one everyone, and thank you for watching this tutorial.